For 68 unending years, Charles Osborne hiccuped non-stop, transforming a simple bodily reflex into a jaw-dropping saga of persistence. Imagine the daily grind, every conversation, meal, and night's sleep interrupted by relentless hiccups, starting in 1922 when he fell while weighing a hog. This extraordinary journey saw Osborne hiccup an estimated 430 million times before they mysteriously stopped in 1990, just a year before his death. Despite countless attempts at cures and a lifetime punctuated by this involuntary quirk, Osborne's story isn't just about inconvenience, it's a testament to human resilience. In a world where hiccups are fleeting, imagine a lifetime of hiccuping and still striving to lead a normal life. His tale wasn't just about enduring a rare condition but embracing life with a humor and grace that defied the odds, leaving behind not just a record but a legacy of perseverance.